Friends, Namaste. This is Rajneesh Sawant and you're watching Janta Janardhan. Friends, my today's topic is a much talked about subject and that is artificial intelligence, that is AI. Friends, before going on to the topic of AI, it is important to understand certain terms which will in turn help us understand AI in a better way. Those terms are data science, algorithm, natural language processing (NLP), big data analytics, deep hearing, machine learning, and cloud computing. So, first is data science. Data science provides meaningful information based on large amounts of complex data or big data. Data science or data driven science combines different fields of work in statistics and computation to interpret data for decision making purposes. Algorithm. Algorithm is a step by step procedure which defines a set of instructions to be executed in a certain order to get the desired output. A programming algorithm is computer procedure that is a lot like a recipe called a procedure and tells your computer precisely what steps to take to solve a problem or reach a goal. The ingredients are called inputs while the results are called outputs. Natural language processing NLP is a subfield of linguistic, computer science and AI concerned with the interactions between computers and human language, in particular how to program computers to process and analyze large amounts of natural language data. NLP helps computers communicate with humans in their own language and scales other language related tasks. For example, NLP makes it possible for computers to read text, hear speech, interpret it, measure sentiment, and determine which parts are important. Big data analysis. Big data analytics is the process of examining large data sets containing a variety of data types to uncover hidden patterns, unknown correlations, market trends, customer preferences, and other useful information. Companies and enterprises that implement big data analytics often reap several business benefits, including more effective marketing campaigns, the discovery of new revenue opportunities, improved customer service delivery, more efficient operations, and competitive advantages. Companies implement big data analytics because they want to make more informed business decisions. Deep learning. Deep learning is an artificial intelligence function that imitates the working of a human brain in processing data and creating patterns for use in decision making. Deep learning is also known as deep neural learning or deep neural network. Friends, the sixth, machine learning, ML. Machine learning is a form of AI that teaches computers to think in a similar way to how humans do, learning and improving upon past experiences. It works by exploring data, identifying patterns, and involves minimal human interventions. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management of the user. The term is generally used to describe data centers available to many users over the internet. Amazon Web Service AWS is one of them. Friends, now let us come back to our topic, that is artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science that emphasizes the development of intelligent machines thinking and working like humans. For example, speech recognition, problem solving, and learning and planning. Today, artificial intelligence is a very popular subject that is widely discussed in the technology and business circles. Many experts and industry analysts argue that AI or machine learning is the future, but if we look around, we are convinced that it is not the future, it is the present. With advancement in technology, we are already connected to AI in one way or the other, whether it is Siri, Watson, or Alexa. Yes, the technology is in its initial phase, and more companies are investing resources in machine learning, indicating a robust growth in AI products and apps in the near future. Artificial intelligence will replace almost 16% of American jobs by the end of the decade. 15% of Apple phone owners use Siri voice recognition capabilities BGR. Unlike general perception, AI is not limited to just IT or technology industry. Instead, it is being used extensively in other areas such as medical, business, education, law, and manufacturing. There are three types of artificial intelligence: narrow or weak AI, general or strong AI, and artificial superintelligence. We have currently only achieved narrow AI. As machine learning capabilities continue to evolve and scientists get closer to achieving general AI, theories and speculations regarding the future of artificial intelligence are circulating. There are two main theories. One theory is based on fear of a dystopian future where super intelligent killer robots take over the world, either wiping out human race or enslaving all of humanity as depicted in many science fiction narratives. The other theory predicts a more optimistic future where humans and bots work together, humans using AI as a tool to enhance their life experience. Artificial intelligence tools are already having a significant impact on the way we conduct business worldwide, completing tasks with a speed and efficiency that wouldn't be possible for humans. However, human emotions and creativity is something incredible, special, and unique, extremely difficult, if not possible, to replicate in a machine. CodeBots is backing a future where humans and bots work together for a win. If you are new to the field of AI, you are likely most familiar with science fiction portrayal of artificial intelligence, robots with human like characteristics. While we are not quite at the human like robo level of AI yet, there is a plethora of incredible things scientists, researchers, and technologists are doing with AI. What is the need for artificial intelligence? We need artificial intelligence because the work that we need to do is increasing day to day. So it is a good idea to automate the routine work. This saves manpower and of the organization and also increases the productivity. Additionally, through this AI, the company can also get skilled persons for the development of the company. Moreover, the companies to think that they want to mechanize all the regular and routine works through the simple program, because with the development of data science, automation becomes more common. The application of this AI is majorly seen at website chat portal. Everyday influences of AI. Many everyday influences of artificial intelligence are altering the way our daily lives look. If someone from 1950s traveled through time and arrived in 2020, they would marvel at the way we use our smartphones to navigate around town, how virtual digital assistants such as Alexa and Cortana respond to our queries, and would be baffled by our addiction to social media channels such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. What is now normal to us and powered by AI would be utterly foreign to our friend from the past. There is no doubt that artificial intelligence is an integral part of our daily lives. Friends, let us see the advantages and the disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence does not belong to the future, it is happening now. With the global AI software market surging by 154% year on year, this industry is predicted to be valued at USD 22.6 billion by 2025. Pros and cons of AI. The benefits of AI are clearly visible in the form of AI enabled chat supports for brands, auto search on search engines, smart predictions on e commerce platforms, and more. Yet, there are many cons of AI that cannot be ignored. One, let us see the pros first. One, zero human error. This is why the adoption of artificial intelligence in various domains has shot up. When you can nullify human errors completely, you get accurate results. The catch is to program properly. Machines take accurate decisions based on previous information that they gather over time while applying certain algorithm sets. Thus, there is a reduction in error and a spike in accuracy. For instance, Google recently shared on its AI blog about a machine learning method that will work around predicting the weather. Google is going to call it nowcasting, which will predict weather 0 TP 6 hours ahead of time. Google believes by using fewer data and simple methodology, they can predict weather more accurately, especially in events like thunderstorm or ones related to precipitation. 2. Zero risks. Putting machines into tasks that can be of danger to humans can pay off well. For instance, enabling machines to deal with natural calamities can result in faster recovery and lesser pressure on human teams. Round the clock availability. It is obvious that machines don't get tired. Machines can work endlessly without breaks and don't even get bored doing the same thing repeatedly, unlike a human. AI machines have no emotions. Machines have no emotions. An AI enabled chat system, no such breaking point arises. Customers can throw any amount of weird queries. Your chat box has pre-fed answers that will well keep on showing its assessment of as per its assessment of query. It is definitely one of the safest ways to handle such scenarios because machines don't feel anything. They will also analyze the words used in the query, matching them against the pre fed information, and give out relevant answers. AI machines can take decisions fast. Using artificial intelligence and other technologies can help make machines that can make data driven decisions much faster than humans. Then why not trust a machine's decision? Simple. It is devoid of any emotions and biased views. When a human takes a decision, a lot of it is driven by emotions. A machine, on the other hand, is highly practical and rational in its approach. This ensures more accurate and result oriented decision making. For instance, IBM Deep Blue supercomputer takes decisions based on the probabilities possible from the opponent's end. A human cannot fathom so many probabilities in one go like a machine. Friends, let us check out some of the disadvantages. AI enabled machines incur heavy costs. Looking at the complexity an AI enabled machine handles, it makes sense that AI driven initiatives can be heavy on pockets. Creating a machine that can mimic human logic and reasoning requires plenty of resources and time, making it quite costly. Machines lack creativity. The issue with machines is that it functions as programmed. While artificial intelligence has made machines capable of learning over time, they cannot learn to think outside the box. A machine will always analyze a situation in terms of pre fed data and past experiences. It is difficult for a machine to be creative in its approach. AI enabled machines may kill job employments. AI is replacing majority of repetitive tasks with bots. The need for human interface is going down as businesses look towards more error-free and free risk-free work. Add to this machines bring speed to it. This has resulted in the killing of many job opportunities that were once prevalent. Job roles like simple data entry or talk to customers is the first touch point, that is, chat supports, are now handled by bots that can do it more effectively and round the clock. No emotions can be a daunting task, daunting at times. While this is one of the key benefits of AI, it is also a con of AI. Machines cannot bond with humans because they do not have emotions or sympathy. While machine learning and NLP has helped brands set up initial customer support through bot enabled chat system, they still require a human of blood and flesh to intervene at one point to resolve an ongoing issue. AI enabled machines do not understand ethics. Another human feature that is hard to incorporate inside a machine is ethics. Morality is absent in a machine, and it is also hard to design and convey through technology. Artificial intelligence can help businesses cut down the time taken to complete a monotonous task, but expecting a machine to follow ethical values is as vague as drawing sketches on water. Courtesy Analytics Labs. Friends, let us check out some applications. AI is making our life more comfortable and fast. Following are some sectors which have applications of AI. 1. AI in astronomy. AI can be very useful to solve complex universe problems. AI technology can help for understanding the universe, such as how it works, origin, etc. AI in healthcare. In the last 5 to 10 years, AI is becoming more advantageous for healthcare industry and going to have a significant impact on this industry. Healthcare industries are applying AI to make a better and faster diagnosis than humans. AI can inform when the patients are worsening so that medical help can reach to patients before hospitalization. AI in gaming. AI can be used for gaming purpose. The AI machines can play strategic games like chess where the machine needs to think of a large number of possible places. AI in finance. AI and finance industries are the best matches for each other. The finance industry is implementing automation, chatbot, adaptive intelligence, algorithm trading, and machine learning into financial processes. AI in data security. The security of data is crucial for every company, and cyber attacks are growing rapidly in the digital world. AI can be used to make your data more safe and secure. Some examples, such as AEG bot, are used to determine software bug and cyber attacks in a better way. AI in social media. Social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat contain billions of user profiles which need to be stored and managed in a very efficient way. AI can organize and manage massive amounts of data. AI can analyze lots of data to identify the latest trends, hashtag, and requirement of different users. AI in travel and transport. AI is becoming highly demanding for travel industries. AI capable of doing various travel related works such as from making travel arrangements to suggesting the hotels, flights, and best routes to the customers. Travel industries are using AI powered chatbots which can make human like interaction with customers for better and fast response. AI in automotive industry. Some automotive industries are using AI to provide virtual assistant to their user for better performance, such as Tesla has introduced Tesla Bot, an intelligent virtual assistant. Various industries are currently working for developing self-driven cars which can make your journey more safe and secure. AI in robotics. Artificial intelligence has a remarkable role in robotics. Usually, general robots are programmed such that they can perform some repetitive task. But with the help of AI, we can create intelligent robots which can perform tasks with their own experiences without pre programming. Humanoid robots are best examples for AI in robotics. Recently, the intelligent humanoid robo named as Erika and Sophia has been developed, which can talk and behave like humans. AI in entertainment. We are currently using some AI based applications in our daily life with some entertainment services such as Netflix and Amazon. With the help of ML and AI algorithms, these services show the recommendation for programs and shows. AI in agriculture. Agriculture is an area which requires various resources, labor, money, and time for best results. Nowadays, agriculture is becoming digital and AI is emerging in this field. Agriculture is applying AI to agricultural robotics, solid and crop monitoring, predictive analysis. AI in agriculture can be helpful for farmers. AI in e-commerce. AI in is providing a competitive edge to the e-commerce industry, and it is becoming more demanding in the e-commerce business. AI is helping shoppers to discover associated products with recommended size, color, and even brands. AI in education. AI and can automate grading so that the tutor can have more time to teach. AI chatbot can communicate with students as a teaching assistant. AI in the future can work as a personal virtual tutor for students, which will be accessible easily at any time, any place. Friends, in this video, I have talked about what is AI and its present status, some important terms, what is the need for AI, everyday influences of AI, advantages and disadvantages of AI, applications. The important terms that I have talked about in this video will be taken up individually and will be elaborated in my subsequent videos. A special thanks to all the authors of various articles, Google and other encyclopedia that I have referred to make this video. Friends, keep watching, stay safe, stay healthy. This is Rajnish Sawant signing off for now. Namaste.